Okay, so a lot of people have asked me how to tie the perfect bow over the years, and especially because of my last video, because I had a glorious pink bow on my head. So all you need is just a regular run-of-the-mill square scarf. Doesn't have to be fancy like this one. You need to make sure you hold it out from corner to corner. And then the only thing you want to do that's special is make sure you tuck the ends under. There is no fancy way to fold it. Just make sure that it's in a diamond shape. You tuck your corners under. I'm doing that now. And then you have your long strip. You bring it behind your head, get your hair out of the way. Make sure your ends are even. Bring it up. Now here's the magic. If you blink, you'll miss it. If you walk away from your streaming device, you'll miss it. If you sneeze, you might miss it. Tie a knot. And then the magic is in the bunny ears. 2 loops. 1, 2. Tie your loops together. And you get a symmetrical bow every time. You can tuck these little flaps under if you want to. Don't really have to, because again, they're even. And then fluff your bow out as big or as small as you want. I'm struggling using this viewfinder, but in a mirror it won't be so bad, or even if you don't look at all, it won't be so bad. Fluff your bow. This viewfinder, it has everything flipped. So anyway, like that. Make it a little smaller. Either way, your bow is even. Your bow is perfect. That's how you do. I'm ready for bed, clearly. I'm in my little lounge onesie. Now, so I'm going to show you the difference if you do the regular old 1 loop wraparound method. See, it's not even. The flaps are all over the place. The bow's going off to the side. You can't really fix this. I mean, if that's the look you're going for, great. But if you want a perfect bow, use the bunny ear method. I'm going to show you on a different scarf as well. Now, this works for everything, from tying ribbons on the back of chairs for parties, if anybody's a decorator, or you're DIY in your event. It works for chairs, it works for dresses, it works for, what else you type on? Christmas gifts, presents in general. I love a good gift. So this is just a regular little skinny, regular scarf. Rectangular scarf. You can put it behind your head, bring it up, even your pieces, tie your knots, and then your bunny ears. 1 loop, 2 loop, wrap those loops around each other. Perfect bow. Fluff it, and tuck your ends, dash out the door. Perfect bow every time. Don't do it in a camera or you'll struggle like I'm doing, but in a mirror you'll be fine. Perfect bow, pretty awesome way.